Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do this like Barbenheimer filter on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your videos like so, and and then go to filters, and then in featured, there will be an Oppenheimer filter, and there will also be a Barbie filter, and select the Oppenheimer ones and add it to the first layer, and select the Barbie one and add it to the second layer. And to split these in half, just go to mask and go to split, and then you can either split it this way, split it halfway, split it this way. It's totally up to you. I'm just going to split it diagonally, and I'm also going to feather it out, so you'll see like the two different tones. It's not very drastic, as you can see. You can see a little bit of pink here though. Maybe it's better if it's the other way around, because you'll actually be able to see that the sky is darker than the Barbie's filtered ones. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!